Video marketing templates are a godsend when you need to create engaging videos without blowing your budget. We're counting down the 10 best video marketing templates for Premiere Pro. All items featured today are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Brand Promo ID Logo Reveals by Proskurovsky makes a statement with its simple and bold styling. 7 types of logo reveals and 4 types of animated text callouts will give you plenty to work with for a promo video or YouTube channel opener. Number 9. Universal Intro Pack by iGorilla Motion is a bundle of 5 different intros, each with a unique flavor. Looking for an opener for your fashion or travel videos? Give the urban option a whirl. Something with a bit more testosterone, you say? Try Sports On for size. Corporate, grunge, and romantic options round out the rest of the pack. Number 8. Everyone needs animated typography at some point or another, and Neat Titles by Space Dog fills the gap with 30 easily customizable motion graphics. Load up these Mogurts for nitty-gritty editing in After Effects, or mainline them straight into your Essential Graphics panel in Premiere Pro for instant drag-and-drop goodness. Number 7. Take the headache out of your social media story creation with the Instagram Stories template. While this particular item is aimed at web and software developers, author IconsX also offers more than 20 other Instagram Stories templates with themes ranging from marketing and finance to technology and education. Number 6. Don't let the name fool you. Intro by Templates Bravo is more than just a jazzy opener. A subscribe button pop-up for YouTube, follow reminder for Instagram, and outro animation make for an excellent all-in-one motion graphic pack for your channel. Number 5. Vertical Event Promo by Val's Valley is a dashingly designed Premiere Pro template made with event organizers in mind. Hype up your conference, lecture, or board meeting with videos that are primed and ready for your guests' mobile devices. Number 4. Woofka serves up ultra-modern elegance with stylish broadcast pack. These motion graphics are edgy, literally. Just look at the angles on those lower thirds. Breathtaking. Number 3. If what you need is a polished, dynamic template for your corporate videos, Mr. Free has the goods with Collage. The smoothly animated image placeholders, text layers, and transitions are sure to elicit some nods of approval and, not bad, faces at your next boardroom presentation. Number 2. Creative Process Flat Design Concepts by Aquavitae is a collection of 15 workspace scenes which cover just about every major niche of digital marketing and development. Switch individual elements on and off, change colors, play with scale, and add in text to compose scenes that are uniquely yours. Number 1. The Ultimate Story Pack by Digital Projects 669 is a one-stop shop for Instagrammers, social influencers, and digital marketers. This bundle is crammed full of enough pre-made scenes, transitions, titles, animated swipes, backgrounds, and headers to keep your vertical video stories eternally fresh. That wraps up our list of the 10 best video marketing templates for Premiere Pro. You'll find links to all the items featured in this video in the description below. Which template engaged you the most? Comment with your answer and like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. If your video marketing toolbox could use a few more templates, check out our list of the top 10 product promo templates for After Effects next.